In this video, I will show you how to freeze frame in CapCut PC. Let's get started. To create a freeze frame effect in CapCut, open the CapCut application. Create a new project. Import the video clip you want to edit. Once imported, drag the video onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Click on the video clip in your timeline to select it. Ensure that the white box around the clip indicates it is active. Play the video or scrub through the timeline to find the exact moment you want to freeze. After selecting your exact frame, look for the freeze icon, which is typically located among the editing tools. Click on this icon and CapCut will create a freeze frame at that point, defaulting to a duration of 3 seconds. After applying, you can adjust how long the freeze frame lasts. Drag the edges of the freeze frame segment in your timeline to increase or decrease its duration. Review your video to ensure that the freeze frame effect looks seamless. Make any additional edits as needed, then export your video when you're satisfied with the results.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.